We'll guide you through how to analyze Mailchimp reporting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located at the side handbar of the dashboard. Find the campaign you want to analyze by scrolling through your list or using the search function. Click on the campaign name to open its summary. You'll see an overview of the performance metrics, like open rates and click-through rates. To dive deeper, click on View Report for that campaign. Here, you can explore various sections like Overview, Performance, Links, and Social Performance. Under Overview, you'll get a snapshot of key metrics, including the total number of recipients, successful deliveries, and unsubscribes. In the Performance section, you can see how your campaign performed over time, with graphs showing opens and clicks per day. This is particularly useful to identify trends or spikes in engagement. Move on to the Links section to see which links in your email were most popular. This helps you understand what content your audience finds most engaging. If your campaign includes social media integrations, check out the Social Performance section to see how your campaign performed across different platforms. Here, you can analyze likes, shares, and comments generated by your campaign. For more granular data, you can download the full report as a CSV file by clicking the Export button, allowing you to manipulate the data in Excel or Google Sheets. This is helpful if you're looking to create custom reports or need detailed data for presentations. Analyzing your Mailchimp reports helps you understand your audience better and refine your future campaigns for improved performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.